Hello, beautiful sacred souls. My name is Allison Batty-Capps. I am the author of The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, and founder of Blossoming Heart Wellness. So the holidays are a time to show love, care, and thoughtfulness. And this year, I want to offer a gift that goes beyond the material. My book, The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, isn't just a book. It is a guide for reconnecting with your inner divinity, healing old wounds, and nurturing self-love. And for those ready to take a deeper journey, my online course takes you step by step through nervous system regulation, inner child reparenting, shadow integration, and even self-guided energy healing. So why is this meaningful? Well, you might have a loved one who feels sensitive or overwhelmed or stuck in old patterns. Maybe they long for healing, clarity, or a way to reconnect with themselves. This gift isn't just a book or a course. It's a pathway to transformation, empowerment, and self-care. So this holiday season, I invite you to give a gift that truly matters. You can find my book on Amazon and other online platforms, or you can explore my course and join a supportive community through my website, blossomingheartwellness.com. From my heart to yours, thank you for sharing this light and love with the people you care about. I'm sending you all so much love this holiday season. Know that you are not alone, and healing is possible for anyone.